Hi, in this video we'll look at how to enroll your students and get started with Piazza. So in our previous video we would have looked at how to create a professor or teacher's accounts, and so we have already set up an account here, and the next step would be to enroll your students. So we see here, once you've logged in, you'll have this option for enroll students, and you could go ahead and click on that after entering the email address. It says please paste your email addresses below in any format. So I'm just going to copy and paste, or just type in the student account that I created here, student tech 2019. So student tech 2019 at gmail.com, and then we'll just click on enroll student here. So we have one student enrolled. All right. So okay. So if you had more than one, you could have copied that. But for the purpose of what we're doing, we can just utilize that. So your students will be required to enter this code in order to self-enroll in the class. So this is just the code that we would utilize for the course, the class code or course code. All right. If you have teacher instructors or teacher assistants, you can add them here as well. All right. So we're gonna go to, okay, we're gonna go to, you have some options here that you can read and look at some tips and so on. So we can always read through those. They will give you an idea of what to do to get started. And you have a number of options there. Okay. So just going through some of those tips, and you can read through that. And of course, you can always create a new post. And in our next video, we'll look at how to do that, to create a new post and to get started with your discussion. All right, so that is how you enroll your students, and hope that this video helped you. And if it did, you can always share and make a comment, as well as subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.